Hello everyone, today for Art at Home with Miss Lipscomb, we are going to be gardening. We're going to be working on carrots that are coming out of the ground. For this project, we're going to talk about the alternatives and the things that you can do that I may not be doing. This is a very open project, so it can range from one to another. So first for this project, you're going to need a white sheet of paper. Now we're going to make the blue and the brown the sky and the dirt. Now you can use crayons or markers for this, and you can color one half blue and the other half brown. Or you can do what I'm doing and use a blue piece of paper and a brown piece of paper. Blue is going to go at the top, and then the brown is going to be the dirt and it's going to go at the bottom. You're going to need an orange sheet of paper as well as a green sheet of paper. First, we're going to take our green sheet of paper and cut them into small strips. You're going to cut the entire thing. Then we're going to take our orange paper and draw long triangles. You're going to draw 3 of these, just like so. After you finally draw them, you're going to take your scissors with the parent and begin cutting them out so that you have 3 carrots, all ranging from different sizes. There you should have them. You're going to take your white sheet of paper, and like I said, you're going to take either a blue sheet of paper and a brown sheet of paper and put them together, or you can go ahead and color the top of your white paper blue and the bottom of your white paper brown. First, you're going to take the blue piece of paper and begin gluing them and putting them onto the top of the white paper. After you do that, take your brown paper, but you're not going to put glue on the top of it. You're only going to glue the sides and the bottom. Just like so. Go ahead and glue it a little bit on top of the blue. You can go ahead and cut any extra sides that are there. Now you're going to take 2 carrots, and they're going to go, 2 are going to go on the inside of the brown, and 1 is going to go on the outside. Just like this. Make sure some of them are sticking out, that way it looks like they're getting pulled from the dirt. Next, you're going to take your green strips and begin gluing them to the top of your carrots. Carrots usually have a lot of these when they're coming out of the ground, so make sure you put all of them on them. And there you have your carrots for gardening week. Great job today, guys. I will see you tomorrow for Art at Home with Miss Lipscomb.